Welcome back, people. This is me again, doing the part two. How's everyone going? Let's start. The bullet points. I'm fucking tired of yelling to my fucking computer. You're not even gonna understand. Sturble and the natural. Natural. Save code as we type. Add the types to specify. Specify. Let me say it again. Add the types to specify. And then comes from lambda calculus. These are the bullet points. I wrote it down a few days ago. The interpret. I think I'm supposed to type the interpreter, but I fucked it up. After parses, the map function eval over all files using flags. The eval file reads the file specified. I'm having trouble reading this word. The eval file read in the file specified on the CMD line, then cost parse and evaluate on it. Evaluate on it. Evaluate. Fucking over. If parse and eval returns error, the process will pause. It's made for safety purpose because you don't want to keep evaluating something that's false. That's wrong. Sorry. Hey, who's this guy? Oh, biology. You're on it too. Oh, what's poppin'? Hi. File test F. The types and the expression are exactly lambda calculus. That's all I'm gonna say about it. And then the main function. The main program is called, and it looks like this. It gets the argument of the flags and the files, and it parses it to the options. And then it maps it. Okay, you can read that. These definitions are the declaration of types and expression. Looks a whole lot like we just described in the lambda calculus. So looking at me, so just some more hacks here. I'll delete that. And then the eval function. The eval basically maps the function with the flag over each file provided on the command line. It gets a file name and the read file. And it prints result if there's no error. And it prints result as it. Yeah. Parse the default flag file name. And then. Okay, here's what the eval looks like. The difference between verbose and the verbose on the right is that the verbose evaluates as the interpreter, like this. Okay, next line. The Haskell syntax, also known as HS file, defines variables and expression, which is similar to the BNF, and the difference is the declaration. The difference, again, is how they declare. You see here we have expression, a bunch of types. Var, type, expression, blah, 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 blah. And then we have a type, which is a natural Boolean or a function. Yeah, see, very similar, right? And then, but we also have declarations, which the BNF don't have. That's why I call it difference. And then the eval doc. The eval is somewhat complicated. To me, it is because I'm still a rookie. I'm tired of talking, bro. It uses loop, and check with the expression is the declaration. At first, loops around. Oh, hell. And then check the expression. And then line flag checks. And the TC determines the order of process, check type, or type check. Oh, let's say it again. The TC checks the process whether it's check then type or type then check. And the loop's back again. That's how you do the eval. The eval deck, I'm sorry. And this is the real eval. And it also allows recursion. I know, right? Crazy. Crazy. And here are the substitution implementation. We have subsets, and the subset checks values, and also it's more like if else, and this we here call it otherwise, and then we have a lot more subsets under there. Oh, one more. And that, oh, I'm typing Chinese. That is it for part 2. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.